so what other thing was my favorite of him?
That's it. That's it. Nothing else.
Come on.
Okay, I guess I'll explain why. Okay.
My favorite part of MWC.
No, start with you.
Oh, my name, right.
Daniel Bader, and I'm going to pick
Daniel Bader, Android Central.
Thing at, okay, sorry, one time.
The way that people, oh yeah, that's right. Sorry. No, I realized I have a new favorite thing now. Okay.
It's good there. Oh, you're ducking. Okay.
Sorry. There you go.
I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow. MWC is pretty much over, but one of the things that I like the most about this show is the collaborations. The fact that all of our good friends are here, and then we get to talk about technology. And we thought we'd do the same again. We just came out of the Mobile Tech Podcast, which is also going to be part of our Pocketnow Weekly. And definitely, let's talk about our favorite parts of MWC 2018, brought to you by Invisible Shield.
Hi, I'm Michael Josh from GadgetMatch.com. MWC this year was the Samsung show because they chose to unveil the Galaxy S9, but my favorite part of MWC was seeing what the other brands tried to do to kind of get our attention. Nokia in particular had the reboot of another popular favorite, the 8110 4G, which was awesome. It's the banana phone. That was really awesome. And of course, LG talked about AI, and in a little corner, in a little booth, I saw a prototype of a phone that has a selfie camera that pops up so that you don't have to have any bezels or any notches.
Hey guys, Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks, and my favorite part of MWC was Nokia coming back. I absolutely lost my mind when I figured out that in the UK, they were number 3 in terms of shipment and number 4 in terms of sales, and they only started selling their Nokia smartphones in July. That's 6 months, and they're back. We all wrote them off. I mean, when I was a journalist in the very, very beginning, they had 95% of the entire industry with Symbian, and then they went down to 3% when they finally got sold to Microsoft, and now they're back in the UK. And other markets, I'm sure.
Hey, my name is Miriam Jouar. I'm the host of the Mobile Tech Podcast at Tankgirl on Twitter. My favorite part of MWC was the Nokia 8110 4G banana phone, matrix phone, whatever you want to call it. And in general, I think Nokia's comeback. I'm a longtime Nokia fan, back from the early days, and they've done so well in this past year, and they're bringing so many cool, interesting Android devices and feature phones, like comeback, whatever, whimsical, older retro phones, whatever you want to call them. I think they need to do this every year. Give us more Nokia. That's my takeaway.
Hey there, it's Jules Wong with Pocketnow, with Jaime Rivera over there. And my favorite thing actually has to be Huawei. It's cheesy as it sounds. This Matebook X that they have the sequel, the Pro, out right now. And it has that freaking camera that just pops in and out. And little things like that, little hardware tweaks that they can do to get bezel-less displays, or at least closing in on bezel-less displays. I think that's always been the trend from TVs and smartphones, and now it's down to laptops too. So the more that we can do that, the better.
Hey, it's Joshua Vergara from Android Authority. What's going on, everybody? And I wanted to talk about my favorite thing at MWC. There are actually a lot of things, but I keep coming back to the mechanical iris of the Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm really happy that a real physical hardware feature of typical cameras like the one I'm holding is now a part of a smartphone. And the reason why I'm excited about that is because, well, we can only go up from here.
My name is Daniel Bader. I'm the managing editor of Android Central, and my 2 favorite things at MWC, I'm going to pick one easy and one kind of hard. So I'm a sucker for Sony phones. I have always been, and the Xperia XZ2, great upgrade, and I'm really excited about using it. Fingerprint sensor on the back. I mean, what else can you ask for, right? Second thing, 5G. It's a little bit nebulous right now, but we're getting so close, and I'm legitimately thrilled for the potential applications. I think it's going to change the world. I know every company says that, but there's a reason they do, and I'm really looking forward to 2019 to see what changes and how close we are to 5G launching.
Hey, I'm David from theunlocker.com, and my favorite thing at Mobile World Congress, It has to be probably the S9 or the S9 Plus. That low light camera is pretty amazing. I do like that it is only a slight refresh, but the phone itself feels super solid compared to the S8. I mean, the S8 wasn't bad, but like it just feels more solid. The camera's a nice upgrade. Some of those AR features are pretty neat. It's kind of cool just to see where AR is going and how fast it's moving. And that's, yeah, I would have to say the S9 and the S9 Plus.
My favorite thing about MWC 2018 is a tie. I am definitely going to give props to Huawei. That Matebook X Pro, I've been using it since we were briefed. My God, the battery life is insane, the design is gorgeous, and you know what? At first I didn't like the design of that camera, but security-wise, it actually makes a lot of sense. And then the second thing is obviously the Samsung Galaxy S9. It's one of the hottest flagships of the year, and I feel that Samsung remained conservative in a ton of things that it should have, and it played innovation in others. Obviously, our review coverage has just begun, so there is more to check, more to prove. Stay tuned to our Instagram, our Twitter, where we'll be showing you what this camera can do over time. Friends, thank you so much for watching. You can learn more about our sponsor in the link in the description. In addition, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. Our playlist for MWC is up here, and our Galaxy S9 coverage is down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.